Okay, here's a little update on my master bathroom remodel. It's been a long time, but life has taken over. I had holidays and vacations and anniversary birthdays, a lot of just a lot of things going on that kept me from actually working on this thing. Obviously working, so my weekends have been taken up. But so far, this is where I am. If you saw my videos, you know I came from a complete old, outdated bathroom to what you see here, and I've got most of the stuff installed. Everything you see obviously is something that I completed myself. I got the wood bridge tub in, I got the faucet in. You see my fireplace there. Got a heated towel rack. I got the toilet installed with that Remodel bidet seat, which I love. Everything painted. I do have some touch-up paint to go, and I replaced all of the lighting with the LED lighting. The LED flush mount effect lighting. I went with a wavy tile. I've got the water. I got my I've got my body jet in there, along with the shower head that's mobile. Put a rain shower in, along with a mowing smart system. And I went with a curbless shower. Now this, you may notice that this drain is off center a little bit, but that's because there's a rebar going straight down the center here, in which I didn't want to cut the rebar. I'm not a structural engineer, so I just figured I just wouldn't mess with that. So I just put the drain to the left of it. And I've got my floors done. And if you notice, remember, these are cabinets that I built, and I'm also going to build a put something here and it's going to match that. It's actually going to be a hamper. Going to go to the floor, to the top, a hamper that's going to match that. And I'm going to replace this medicine cabinet to match these also. You see the mirrors that I put in. I have the fogger in there. I've got my IOTI smart switches in here. I have heated floors. That's actually heated floors up under here. So I'm going to make my own concrete countertops, and the goal is to get a real nice video of all that. I still have some cleaning to do. As you can see, I got some dirt, ash on my grout, but once I get it all cleaned up, it should look good here. And obviously I have a glass door that I have to order to get the shower door in. But it is actually coming along, and the only thing I have to do now is build the countertops there, build this out, change the doors. I've already got the porcelain vanity sink, and I have faucets that actually match this faucet. They're going to be on each side. But it's been a long time coming. All of this is 100% DIY. I've done them all myself. The paying someone was out of the question because the money was out of the question. Didn't have money to do it, so I had to pull out every skill that I've learned over the years and put it in this. I had the window replaced. I had the glass replaced in the window instead of the entire window, and I'm going to finish painting the inside of the window frame black. I'm also going to paint this black with high heat paint. Anyway, this is the just an update on this DIY smart shower system. I still have some things to do, and once I get it all together, the plan is to really put it on display as far as everything that it has and everything that it can do, especially the smart shower system being controlled with the voice. So that's an update on my DIY bathroom install.